usually once or twice a day, people want to know about the comp plan with LiveGood. How do we get paid? Okay, you don't have to buy products. People hear that and they go, really? Now I'm interested. Because most people that join online opportunities, they know they have to buy $1 to $2 to $500 a product to get bonuses. And by the time you try to qualify for certain ranks, you've got a full room or garage full of products that you can't even sell, or the company will kick you out of it, okay? And most of the products are about 2 to 500% more than they're worth, okay? LiveGood, we are based on the membership side. We're based in Jupiter, Florida, but we specialize as being a membership company so that we can sell products wholesale. So you can save money, put it in that gut. Come on, open your mouth, put our LiveGood products in and feel good. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Live good, feel good. How about feel great? Okay. Now, we want you to spend $9.95 a month, because then you can order all our products completely wholesale based. Resell out of your trunk, resell out of your car, your house. You have a skateboard, I don't know. Just throw CBD oil at your neighbor, I don't know. Take the products and resell if you want a couple bucks each month. There ain't nothing wrong. If you have a gym, all right, or you have an Amazon store, you can go ahead and sell your buns off retail with this company. That's unheard of in this type of business. We encourage it. There's nothing wrong with taking LiveGood products and reselling for however much you want. If you go to Walmart, go in their search section and just type in LiveGood, one word. Our products are for sale there, but they're going to be full retail. Okay? So if you want to really get in good shape and do it as cheap as possible, you want to be a member. Now, if you want to earn money, you want to spend $40 one time for life. That's all it is to be an affiliate. You don't have to qualify and hold certain levels each month, and then a year later, you're an affiliate. No, you want to be an affiliate. You spend $40 now. That's it. That is it. There's nothing more for you to do other than spend $9.95 a month, because you have to be a member in order to be an affiliate. So you can earn money like I do, and you can take the products and feel good and resell those darn things if you'd like. But we get paid on the membership side because we focus on wholesale prices. We don't really profit the company, believe it or not. If the product costs $13 to make, we probably sell it for about 15. All right, a couple bucks to get it to the warehouses in Jupiter, Florida. We have distribution centers going up worldwide, okay, because we're in over a couple hundred countries. All right, $15 million of products going out every 30 days, okay? That's amazing. We're going on about 1.6 to 1.7 million members and affiliates, okay? I'm fortunate enough to make video and do email and post on social media. And guys, I tell you exactly what I do. I show you what I do for free. I do use some systems and software. If you have $49, I want you to get a funnel. If you have $30, guys, I really want you to get business cards, because on a street level, I just want you to go ahead and hand out a card like I do. Hey, what's that thing you're talking about on social media, Cory? Or I overheard you at the water bottle thing there during lunchtime at the water bottle, man. Well, you know what I do? I just hand them like a Join Cory card, because when you go to joincory.com, for that $40, you get your own website. You have basically business in a box that rocks. Has its own customer service, shipping and handling, all done with the United States Post Office here locally, DHL International, because we go all over planet Earth. It's all taken care of, guys. All the products, they are completely designed by Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. They're blessed by CEO Ben Glinsky. He's a health freak. Nader Kazan, he does the best he can to make sure our marketing and the way that we portray this company is just awesome. We want a good image. We want to be affordable. And we want to be in the top 3 as far as best home-based business. We took number uno in 2023, easily in 2024. In a couple weeks, it's 2025. I don't see any company that's going to supersede us. We're going to probably be number 1 again in 2025. Guys, it's only $10 a month, $40. Just do that one-time thing so you can be an affiliate. I want you to have your own website. I want you to have your own capture page, okay? And you can get a hold of me anytime. I'm not shy. If we need to talk on the phone, we can. I really prefer email or inbox on my Facebook page, because I love to type. I can really haul ass and help you guys out by cutting and pasting, showing you something, or I just send you a video that I've already made. You know, I have about 25 videos just all ready to go because I usually get the same questions every single day. And all I do is just go, hey, here you go. People are like, damn, you're fast. All right, it's like going to McDonald's. You know that hamburger was made about 2 years ago, although they say it's fresh. Okay, the pay plan. How do you find out about it? Well, go to joincory.com. Then on the Live Good website, let me just show you. I want you to go to the very bottom of your cell phone or the website. It's going to say pay plan or affiliate. Okay, you're going to click that link, and if you see on the left side, that's what it looks like here on your computer. And when you get to the very top of the page, it just says affiliate comp plan. Let me get my business card out of the way. Okay, 7 ways we get paid. Go ahead, take your time. Just scroll and read. But I recommend just watching the video. It's boring to read. I got to be honest. I zone out when I talk about the comp plan. But I love saying hello to this pretty young lady. And I like that this YouTube video is well done by the company. Just sit back, relax, guys. Hit this YouTube little button here and just check out how we get paid. You're going to freak out. You're going to freak out, and I know you're going to want to join. Everybody does. You can't unsee this opportunity. You just can't. Okay? When you see our comp plan, our products, how affordable things are, our success of, God, 2 to 2,500 people a day, 60,000 a month. Guys, we haven't slowed down, man. We said ready, set, go December 13th of 2022. Well, in a couple days, it is 2024. We're only 2 years old, going on 2 million people already. All right? We got about 50 products. We're going to have about 500. And we're based basically in the old membership category. $10 a month. Come inside, shop around. You got 3 months to get your money back on any product. 90 days, guys. Even if you use up all the protein powder, just take that container, send it back to Jupiter, Florida, get a full refund. Okay? Peace and love, baby. All right, joincory.com. I'll hold my card up because I'm too lazy to put it up on my screen. It's easier if I just go like this to you fine folks. joincory.com. Watch that 6-minute video. Put your name and email address in so I can send you more information. And if you want to join, just go to the Live Good email that you're going to get. You can join right there. And I'm going to send you a nice email, and I'm going to show you and tell you everything I do to kick massive ass in Live Good. Okay? Get excited. If you're watching my video and you're not signed up yet, you're in the right place, amigo and amiga. Okay? Peace and love. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you get a hold of me if you need something. Okay, guys. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.